The Latvian Biblical Center, in cooperation with Northwest University in South Africa, presents an opportunity to pursue accredited master's and doctoral degrees in theology. These programs encompass diverse areas of study, including biblical studies, missiology, ecclesiology, ethics, ecumenism, practical theology, and ancient languages. Both the master's and PhD degrees are research-based and typically require 2 to 4 years for completion. Applicants are required to possess a prior degree in theology. The application deadline is March 31st of each year. For further information on this program and application details, we invite you to visit our website. May God help you to make a right decision. Thank you.